Welcome! If you want to make your Instagram profile stand out and keep your favorite stories visible forever, creating story highlights from your archive is the way to go. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to create Instagram story highlights directly from your archived stories. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Make sure you're logged into the account where you want to create the highlight. Next, head over to your profile by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner. This takes you to your main profile page where you'll manage all your content. Now look to the top right corner and tap the menu icon. That's the three horizontal lines, also known as the hamburger menu. From the menu that appears, tap on Your Activity. This section gives you access to everything you've done on Instagram, including your archived stories. In your activity, tap on Archived. Here, you'll find all your past stories, saved automatically by Instagram so you never lose a moment worth sharing. To start creating your highlight, tap the three dots in the top right corner of the archive screen. Then select Create Highlight. This opens up a gallery of your archived stories. Scroll through and select the stories you want to include in your new highlight. You can choose just one or several stories that fit your theme. Once you've made your selections, tap Next. Now it's time to personalize your highlight. Enter a name that describes what your highlight is about. Keep it short and catchy since you're limited to 15 characters. If you want, you can also choose a cover image. Either pick one from your selected stories or upload a custom cover to match your profile's style. When you're happy with your selections and the look of your highlight, tap Done. Your new highlight will now appear right under your profile bio, ready for your followers to view anytime. That's it. You've just created a story highlight from your archive, making your best moments last as long as you want. Try organizing your highlights by topics, events, or anything that represents you. Thanks for watching and enjoy showcasing your stories in style.